I flew all the way from Ghana to Dubai just to request my payout with FundingPips. No. I know I'm rich, but I'm not that rich to travel just to request for a payout. But the truth is, I've never been to Dubai before, so I thought, why not? To go and see the city, enjoy the experience, and of course, collect my payout. I landed in Dubai on 13 October with my cousin Didi, and the funny thing is, I actually taught him how to trade with Propfirm about 6 months ago, and now he's well over 150k funded with FundingPips. Fast forward, both of us in Dubai living life. Crazy how fast things can change. We stayed at Paramount Midtown Hotel, one of the best places I've seen, waking up every morning with full Burj Khalifa view. So unreal. We spent the whole week there mixing up business and with vacation vibe basically.
Real shit. I ride for my niggas, dawg. I ride for my niggas. I slide for my niggas, dawg. I ride for my niggas. Stay scheming. Niggas tryna get at me. Dawg. I ride for my niggas. Stay scheming. Niggas tryna get at me. Dawg. I ride for my niggas. Damn, life so short. Fuck it, I don't wanna go to court. Fuck it, got a budget for the lawyer though. Fuck it, I'm on the run for the month. I'm in the bucket, paid 200 for it. My little nigga stuck and even got me paranoid. I'm getting money, that's in any nigga category.
Wednesday was a big day, my interview at the FundingPips headquarters. Coincidentally, it was my payout date with FundingPips, a 100k account. Actually, not coincidence, I chose exactly that day. Anyway, the day before that, I got an email from FundingPips saying that I've been selected to be part of the top 10 reward traders for the month of September. And by the way, if you guys remember, the month of September, I made well over $40,000 in payout. Arriving at the HQ, I was welcomed by the amazing team, and I even met the CEO of FundingPips himself. He was actually the one who handed me the reward I won. And after that, I requested my payout. It was actually a $3,000 payout on my 100k account that got scaled up to 120k, and that account came with 100% profit split, meaning every single profit I've made on that account was mine. Okay, and by the way, if you guys are trading with FundingPips or planning to trade with FundingPips, I highly recommend you to go for at least one of the account with 100% profit split. It's totally worth it because every single money you make on that account, you get everything. Okay, there's no 80 to 20% profit split or anything like that. And if you guys want to trade with FundingPips, feel free to use my coupon code AstuceFX. It's gonna give you 20% off on your first purchase. And after the interview, I realized something. I might have just be the first African trader interviewed at the FundingPips headquarters. You know, that was like a really proud moment for me. Right after that, the rest of the week was purely enjoyment. The routine, pretty simple. Wake up, eat breakfast, trade a little bit, then explore the city. I even made $6,000 profit on my FundingNext account while I was on a vacation. Talking about passive consistency. And by the way, I didn't trade my account with FundingPips because you are not allowed to trade with FundingPips in the UAE. So you guys thinking, okay, Astuce, because you're an influencer, you have influencer privilege. No, I myself wasn't allowed to trade my FundingPips account in the UAE. So yeah, everyone has to follow the rules basically. This trip was more than just for a payout. It was a proof that consistency, discipline, and the belief can create. From Ghana to Dubai, from mentorship to mastery is just the beginning.